One of the greatest problems that the world is facing today is that of environmental pollution, increasing with every year and causing grave and irreparable damage to the earth. Environmental pollution consists of five basic types of pollution, namely air, water, soil, noise, and light. This presentation illustrates the impact of environmental pollution on human health. The environment is the sum of the total of all elements, factors, and conditions in the surroundings which may have an impact on the development, action, or survival of an organism or group of organisms, such as we human beings. Importance of natural environment. Natural environment is of crucial importance for social and economic life. We use the living world as a resource for food supply, an energy source for recreation, a major source of medicines, natural resources for industrial products. Humans have had the ability to change their environment for thousands of years. Today, this ability is greater than ever. This is because there are more people living now than ever before, and human activity is concentrated in huge cities. Also, science and technology allow us to interfere with natural processes in more direct ways. Environmental pollution threatens human health. Any desirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, land, water, or soil that is likely to have an adverse effect on the natural environment or life is termed as environmental pollution. Three major types of pollution are air, water, and soil pollution. Air pollution is actually harmful substances in the atmosphere which damages the environment. With the development of industries came along the increase of air pollution. Impact of air pollution on human health. Polluted air contains one or more hazardous substance, pollutant, or containment that creates a hazard to general health. It is usually measured in terms of particulate matter or the number of particles of these potentially hazardous substances as a percentage of air. Air pollution in cities causes a shorter lifespan for city dwellers. Key health problems caused by air pollution are asthma, cancer, respiratory problems, heart disease, intellectual disorders, birth defects, immune system damage, and tuberculosis. Moving further, let's study another type of pollution, that is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. Example, lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Water pollution caused industrial waste products released into lakes, rivers, and other water bodies has made marine life no longer hospitable. Humans pollute water with large-scale disposal of garbage, flowers, ashes, and other household waste. In many rural areas, one can still find people bathing and cooking in the same water, making it incredibly filthy. Acid rain further adds to water pollution in the water. In addition to these, thermal pollution and the depletion of dissolved oxygen aggravate the already worsened condition of the water bodies. Water pollution can also indirectly occur as an offshoot of soil pollution through surface runoff and leaching to groundwater. Impact of water pollution. Infectious diseases such as typhoid and cholera can be contracted from drinking contaminated water. This is called microbial water pollution. The human heart and kidney can be adversely affected if polluted water is consumed regularly. Other health problems associated with polluted water are poor blood circulation, skin lesions, vomiting, and damage to nervous system. In fact, the effects of water pollution are said to be the leading cause of death for humans across the globe. Key health problems caused by water pollution are diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria, hepatitis, kidney damage, nerve disorders, and skin lesions. Now let's study about land pollution. Land pollution is the degradation of Earth's land surfaces often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Health hazard disposal of urban and industrial waste, exploitation of minerals, and improper use of soil by inadequate agricultural practices are a few factors. Now let's take a look at impact of land pollution. Over a long period of time, landfills start to emit landfill gases. Landfill gas is produced due to the anaerobic conditions that organic waste decomposed in. Most waste buried in landfills give rise to the hazardous and toxic liquid known as leachates. The leachates contaminate water resources like the groundwater below the landfills, leading to water pollution. Besides the points mentioned above, it is also important to note that these overcrowded dumps, contaminated sites, and careless disposal of waste also contributes to air and water pollution as well as acid rain. Health problems caused by land pollution. Since direct impact of land pollution are air pollution and water pollution, the key health problems caused by land pollution are same as those of air pollution and water pollution. And the additions are increased human injuries from syringes, broken glass and canes washing onto rivers and beaches. Having studied about ill effects of various types of population now, let's take a look at various ways to stop it. Abating pollution is an exceptionally important concern because of pollution's harmful effects on the person's health, on climate and on the environment. Everybody is a stakeholder as we are all inhabitants of this one and only Mother Earth. Everyone should therefore be personally responsible for the upkeep of environment through cooperation and active participation in making the atmosphere pollution free. Ways to stop pollution. We believe that it is the responsible thing to do to increase recycling. The residents of the country should also try and do their part and put in at least one day of litter picking up. To avoid air pollution, use natural gases like LPG in autos. Do not burst crackers, use less amount of fuel for vehicles, and use electronic stoves. Noise pollution, soil pollution and light pollution too are damaging the environment at an alarming rate. Noise pollution include aircraft noise, noise of cars, buses and trucks, vehicle horns, loudspeakers and industry noise, as well as high intensity sonar effects which are extremely harmful for the environment. To curb noise pollution, the government should ensure the new machines that should be noise proof. Airports must be away from the residential area. The sound horn symbol is to be in school roads. Control noise at source by proper choice of equipment, design modification, mounting and proper layout. Isolation or use of baffles. Use of ear protection devices must be implemented. One of the major causes of water pollution is vehicles. Vehicles release numerous varieties of noxious gases in air that later on get mixed in water and turns water polluted. The water affects our health badly. Water pollution and air pollution are connected to each other. The smart way to clean water is to clean air first. People can pick public transport for their daily trips despite of personal vehicle to save water from pollution. Make sure that you don't dump garbage or any kind of waste within and near dams, well, or any other water bodies. Stop discharging chemicals or hazardous materials in water bodies. If you notice any kind of illegal dumping in water bodies, then immediately report to appropriate authorities. Since the pollution of your vehicle can cause high pollution in water, therefore you should maintain your vehicle in an effective way and regularly check for leaks. People should not leave their pets' waste in public places. People should reduce the use of chemical and plant fertilizers as they produce hazardous gases that cause water pollution. People should start using biodegradable products that can be recycled easily. It is because recycling will decline the garbage. You should start using paper bags in place of poly bags. Don't throw plastic bags in water bodies as it doesn't degrade. People should minimize the use of insecticides and pesticides in water bodies. Make sure that you have water filtration system at your place. It is because it will help in minimizing the risk of infectious diseases. Grow more trees as that will help you to reduce the carbon and other hazardous gases in water. Also, it will help in increasing groundwater levels. Make sure that your detergent is low in phosphorus. To prevent land pollution, more and more land should be brought under farming. Trees should be planted everywhere. Waste matter should be disposed immediately. Drilling the land for more underground water must be avoided. Also, using more fertilizers and pesticides must be avoided. Good agricultural practices must be followed. Erosion and silting must be prevented. Practices such as containment of hazardous waste and wastewater treatment using land treatment techniques must be followed. Children may also share the responsibility. Lots of people are still unaware of the detrimental effects of pollution. Children can also help controlling pollution by informing and educating people about pollution in different ways. Children can run awareness campaigns and can carry the hoardings stating, "Preserve the environment, clean up the world, share the responsibility, clean air for kids." Such minor and simple steps can save the world from disastrous effects of pollution. Such minor and simple steps can save the world from disastrous effects of pollution. Let's follow few simple steps to curb pollution and stay healthy. Thank you.